Now this is how you can see what's backed up on your iCloud using your iPhone. Let's get started. So at first, locate the settings app and open it up. And the first thing on the top of the page is your name, or sort of like your Apple account profile. So when you click in here, you can then proceed to the iCloud and see your storage and backed up situation. So it's important to note that the storage for free is only 5 gigabytes. And if you need more, you'll need to upgrade for these paid plans. But essentially, upon clicking on the storage there, you can already see what is stored or backed up to your iCloud. So you can see we have some 99 megabytes worth of messages, some notes, voice memos, some mails, right, are there. You can see that some photos, of course, and also the backups, like the general backup of some of my devices, which includes the iPad and a very small backup of an iPhone. So these are the things you can see, but what I don't like about it is that I cannot specifically check out, for example, which photos are backed up, right? I can see that there is like 3 gigs of photos stored or backed up to my iCloud, but which photos are they specifically? Well, for that, what I like to do is to open up the Safari web browser and essentially just go to iCloud.com. So I'm going to use this method right here. I'm going to click on a sign in and essentially just use my Face ID to scan my face to get inside like that. And in here, since it is a web version of the cloud, everything that you can see right here is backed up. So when I check out my photo section, I can see right away that these videos and these specific photos are backed up to my cloud. So I kind of like this method a lot more because it's much clearer and I never know which photos are backed up if I don't use the web version. Same thing for the other files. So if I go to the iCloud, I can also check out the specific notes or the mail reminder, right? So that's how it works. Essentially, on the iPhone, even if you don't go through the Safari, you can, for example, open up the Notes app and there it's like separated by iCloud and local, right? So you can already see it right away. But some other things like the photos are simply not separated like that. So that's, why I have to use the web method. But other than that, also the files, you can check out on my iPhone as well as the iCloud. So you can also just check it out separately within here. And yeah, that's how it works. In the settings, you can of course manage if the photos should continue to get backed up or however you want to have it set up. Same thing for all of the other apps, right? So you can choose that, I don't know, like notes or whatever will not be backed up anymore. So yeah, that's how it works. And this is how you can see what is already there. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it or if you found this video useful. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the future videos.